Diaries, and we're back to layover after my long 13 days leave in Manila because I celebrated my birthday there. So right now we're back in the layover and we are here in Tunisia. This is just roster change, and luckily nakalabas na tayo from Sydney and London flights. So this is a new destination unlocked and new magnet collection for us. I didn't know, ang ganda pala dito guys. Para siyang Greece, Santorini, pero hindi naman pa ako nakapunta sa Greece. But by the looks of this area, para siyang Santorini, lalo na dun sa pupuntahan namin later. Turn. Turn and come. To join my vlog? Okay. Because your time is very good.
Ay, pakash natin. Two each, separate. Black chocolate. And three sugar.
Yes, this is the Pambaloni. Pambaloni. This is like a donut with chocolate. You wanna join? Let's go! Everyone will know you. Come, come, come. I will show my first officer here.
I'm like Lapu-Lapu.
So good. Guys, I think I need this in my life. It was like so big, pero ang ganda, kaya lang too expensive for me. Yung kailangan mo ng evil eye, pero ikaw yung alam mo na. So, I like this one. Yeah. Sir, take this.
I make a discount with that.
No.
No, real.
I will take it 10.
10 what?
10 dinar. It's on the afternoon on the next day. So it's already 12:55 in the afternoon. And I'm already ready and we're about to go na din. So, lumabas lang kami yesterday with the whole set of crew. So, guys, I'm gonna go now and prepare my other things para bumaba na ako sa lobby namin kasi it's almost pick-up time na rin. So, bye! Hello guys! Welcome back to my Layover Diaries. We are finally here in New York, US of A. New York. Welcome to New York. Yeah. So today is April 14 and it's currently 12:45 on the afternoon. We arrive at 9 a.m. Pahinga lang ako saglit and then naligo and then nag-ayos ulit. So this time, walang gustong lumabas since I think they're frequent flyer na yung mga crew dito sa US kasi ako is first time lang naman. So, I'm gonna go roam around the city and this new destination. So, come join me with my layover today. Saya ko kasi first time ever ko lang dito sa New York. So, talagang whole flight. Tumutugtog lang sa isip ko yung Welcome to New York ni Taylor Swift and yung Empire State. Sobrang na-excite ako mag-check kung ano meron dito sa New York kasi sobrang nice ng flight. So, I'm anticipating a nice destination as well. And sobrang surreal kasi, ayun nga, nakarating na rin ako sa US. And wala namang problema doon. Na-excite naman talaga lahat kapag may bagong destination. We-are now. Palabas na ako ng hotel, guys. So guys, ang first stop natin is Brooklyn Bridge. And then this one yung puntahan natin. Guys, sobrang bilis lang. Kasi kanina 1:30 ako umalis and now it's 1:46 na. So, nandito na tayo sa my Brooklyn Bridge. 15 minutes travel time on train. More on waiting pa. Are now walking towards the Brooklyn Bridge and lalakarin ko lang about 3 minutes and then nandun na tayo. Ayan siya. Mabilis lang, saglit lang, and ang daming tao. Gusto ko lang siyang mag-picture. Hello, imagine, I'm walking again. Parang sobrang haba naman ng nilalakad ko. Eh, nilakad ko nga lang from Doha to New York for 15 hours. Hindi naman 15 hours kasi may rest naman kami like for 4 hours. Pero kahit na. Tapos ngayon naglalakad na naman ako. Hindi ka na mapagod, girl, ah. Naghahanap ako ng sakit ng katawan. So, we are finally here. Hindi ko alam. Kasi may mga nag-offer ng photo and parang gano'n. Gamit yung professional camera. I'm thinking if magpakuha ako ng photo. Kasi wala naman akong kasama para mag-take ng photo na maayos. So, I think I'm gonna decide later. Ewan ko if makikita nyo, but that's the Manhattan Bridge. And this one is the Brooklyn Bridge. Cute eh. So, we are done na here sa Brooklyn Bridge. Punta sana ako dun sa may street, sa Washington Street for yung photo spot ng Manhattan Bridge. But medyo malayo siya dito and mahabang lakaran. Eh, pagod na rin naman ako. And also, I already did yung parang photo shoot dito sa my Brooklyn Bridge. I paid $20 for 6 pictures. So, okay na din. Parang $3 each. And sabi niya talaga is parang $5 per photo talaga. Siyempre, tinawaran lang natin. So, ayun. Naiinis ako, pero ganito ko dito. Ayun, naiinis ako kasi hindi gumagana yung wifi ko. So, umupo na lang muna ako dito sa may labas ng subway station kasi hindi ko ma-figure out kung paano ako pupunta dun sa may Times Square kasi nga hindi gumagana yung Pocketfi ko. Naiinis na ako. Kanina umaayos naman siya. Life happens. Ganun talaga. Kailangan bigyan tayo ng struggles konti. So, ayun. Ang ganda ko lang dito. It's getting colder. Plus, nagugutom na rin ako. So, pupunta na talaga ako sa Jollibee. We are just walking around Times Square and hindi ko talaga kaya yung amoy dito. Super daming nagwe-weeds. And I'm just gonna go for a grocery lang para may makain ako later tonight and tomorrow morning before our pick-up. So I think I'm gonna go to Target or CVS. Ayun, I wanted to stay here until night para makita yung madaming lights pag gabi. But super pagod na rin ako. Kasi 15 hours flight kami. Iba pa yung post-flight and pre-flight. So, I think more than 20 hours na akong pagod in this thing. I just dropped by dito sa I Love New York na souvenir shop. Super hirap. Hindi talaga na magnet every time sa mga pinupuntahan ko. Kapag bibili ako ng magnet, napakahirap. Same price lang naman. Pero I'm looking for unique design. Guys, oh my gosh, nandito na ako sa Target. Like, parang sobrang childhood dream. Or hindi naman childhood dream. Parang teenage dream ko yung papunta dito sa Target. Kasi before, nanonood na ako ng mga nagta-Target haul na mga teenager na YouTube vloggers. So, ayun. Next time, maggagawa rin ako ng Target haul vlog. Super saya. Wait lang. Hindi pa ito yung department store talaga. Dito lang sa Target na grocery store. But may mga few items na rin. So, next time, I'm gonna do a vlog. Like the whole Target vlog. So, guys, we are back in the hotel. It's already 5:20 in the afternoon. And bumalik na ako after Target. Wala rin naman tayo nabili sa Target. So, dumiretso na ako, bumalik sa hotel. And then, nag-grab lang ako ng Dunkin' Donuts for my snack later and tomorrow. So, ayun. Super busog na rin ako kanina sa kinain ko sa Jollibee. And, ayun lang guys. I think this is it for our New York vlog. First time ko dito, pero hindi ko siya ma-enjoy masyado kasi ayaw kong sagarin yung sarili ko sa pagod. Kasi 15 hours flight na ngayong papunta dito and then what more pa tomorrow.
สวัสดีครับเรียกหนูว่าไอ้จ๊าบ
Hello people! Welcome back again here in Bangkok. So today is April 22 and it's already 3:30 p.m. So delayed yung flight namin ng 1 hour. So dapat kanina pa kami nandito, but it's okay. We're still here. So first things first, I need my Gluta drip. Also vitamin C kasi tamad akong uminom ng mga capsules or anything. So inject na lang natin yan. Ang arte ko magsalita, nakakainis. So, guys, pasensya na kayo kung ganito na yung itsura ko kasi nag-remove na ako ng makeup. So, wala na akong makeup at all kasi nga, bala ko magpa-facial. And then, nag-dress lang ako para mabilis na rin siyang tanggalin for massage. So, ayun. Bakit ba ako mag-explain sa itsura ko? Guys, ito na yun talaga. Wala na tayong magagawa kasi ito na talaga yung binigay ni Lord. So, please bear with it. And yung mga judgmental dyan, char. So, ayun. Okay. Sige na, alis na ako, guys. I'm going down na. So, yeah, see you later.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you.
Good morning, guys. I am currently here in Perth, Western Australia, and it's already 10 a.m. in the Monday morning. And punta ako sa outlet mall. Well, kagabi pa kami nag-arrive dito, kaya lang di na ako nakapag-film kasi lumabas ako agad for dinner. Kasi hindi ako kumain buong flight. So, super gutom ang lola mo. So, ayun. Kanina ang lamig-lamig. Ngayon, ang init na. So, I am just waiting here sa bus stop. Papunta dun sa outlet na pupuntahan ko, which is Watertown Outlet Mall. Super ganda ng mga deals dun. Super mura din. And, ayun guys. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa Perth, libre yung bus nila. Ayun guys, so, free service now. If ever I'm considering to migrate in a country, it's Perth, guys. Though, hindi lang naman dahil sa free bus, pero sobrang ganda ng lifestyle dito. Parang super balance yung work and life. Just thinking about it, pero hindi ko naman kinoconsider. Parang ang ganda lang mag-migrate dito. So, I think that's why madaming Filipino yung nagmamigrate sa Australia kasi madaming magandang offer din yung country na to. So, ayun. First stop is brunch. Yeah, brunch. Sobrang gutom na ako. So, before tayo mag-ikot-ikot, I'm gonna have my favorite food. This is teriyaki, chicken teriyaki don. Let's eat. Hi! Actually, I'm going to UGG. But hindi ko makita yung store nila. I think lumipat sila dito sa taas and I'll check. Right now, I'm here in Cotton On. Guys, nandito at lahat ng bagsak presyo nila from all over the world. Charis. Pero ang ganda dito ng mga deals. So we are done na here and the bus is here.
Carry love to carry.
Okay. Hello, I'm back. I'm so sorry. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog kung saan ako nagpupunta. So, sobrang nag-enjoy ako maglakad-lakad around the area. Dito, malapit sa hotel namin. Parang nasa center siya ng mga shops, groceries, and all. So, ayun. I'm just gonna do a quick mini haul. So, kanina umalis ako ng around 10:30 and now it's already 1 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Anyways, so first is, para malagay ko na sa ref, unahin ko na yung food na binili ko. First is the mochi. Super sarap nito. Favorite ko to eh. Pero medyo mahal lang siya. $1.5. So, bumili lang ako ng apat. For dessert, this one, I just wanted to try. Though, alam ko naman ako anong lasa nito. Pero, ito yung bao bun na beef. I'm gonna eat it later after this. For my food later sa aircraft, I just got this. What is this? Sweet and sour pork. Then, rice. Next, bumili lang ako ng Doritos. Ewan ko, parang lagi akong nag-crave sa Doritos. So, next is this steak. Scotch fillet. Australian beef steak, of course. And this is just $8 each. Cashew nuts. So, ito. Request lagi sa akin ng mama. Request sa akin lagi ng mama and papa ko. So, ito. Laging, ewan ko kung anong meron dito. Di ako kumakain nito. So, favorite nila to. Onion. $2 lang. Super mura. So, dito na ako bumibili ng onion. Yun lang for the grocery and food. Next is yung nabili ko sa Cotton On. Super sale. Ang ganda ng deals, guys. Ewan ko, parang every time na pupunta ako doon, parang medyo namamahalan pa ako. Pero ngayon, na nagpunta ako, super mura lahat. Like, parang nag-markdown talaga sila. So, parang sale na. Outlet sale na nga. Tapos may sale pa. So, ayun. Okay. This one. First is, I got this skirt. It was priced for $30 each, but marked down to $3 na lang. This color, black, gray, grayish brown, maroon. $3 lang, so nabudol tayo. So I got 4 colors of this and this one as well. Parang active skirt or tennis skirt siya. And then from $30 down to $3 na lang siya. The last, I got this yellow dress, pang summer or perfect lang for parang quick errands lang din or maybe anywhere. From $35 down to $10 na lang. Ang gastos na naman ng flight na to, which is sabi ko, hindi dapat ako gagastos. Anyways, after this vlog, I'm gonna rest na. Ang wake-up call namin is 7:30 p.m. pa naman, but I wanted to sleep more and rest more. So, I think this is about it for this entire vlog. Bye, guys! I'm just gonna see you on my next vlog. And we are back here in Perth. Very unexpected flight because I'm expecting other flights, and surprisingly they upgraded me to do this Perth flight again. So we are back here. Now I am just literally roaming around this Perth city kasi ine-enjoy ko na yung parang mga last Perth flights natin kasi we're not yet sure kung kailan na tayo ulit makakabalik dito because they're gonna change the fleet. So, this is literally my first time going out and ang dami kong mga bagong discovery. Oh my gosh, yung light, ang ganda. So, we are here in Elizabeth Quay Station. Ferry station siya eh. So, I don't know what's in here. May mga shops and restaurants din. Well, mag-iikot lang naman ako. So, if you can see this tower, para siyang... No, that is the bell tower. And it's one of the tourist attraction here sa Perth. Hindi na tayo papasok kasi I don't have any plans naman. But you can hear yung bell sound. sa tagal ko nang nagpa-Perth flight, ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa station na to or sa area na to. But now, I'm figuring things out and I am discovering new places here in Perth. So I hope hindi nila tanggalin to sa mga 380 crew. Yeah, sure.
Can you see it?
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. More. A little bit here. Okay.
Thank you. You're a professional.
Student?
No, I'm working already.
You're working already?
Yeah.
Do you like living here?
No, I'm just here for today.
Oh, only today. Oh,
Yeah.
Wow, wait
You're
till-
from West Australia?
No, I'm from basically from Philippines, but I work in Qatar. Yes,
Oh,
it's an
okay.
airline.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Well, we're from the east, so
Yes.
way over the east coast.
Yeah. So I'm just here for today.
Oh, well, enjoy it.
Yeah, lovely to meet you.
Thank you for
Yeah,
having
thank
us.
you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Guys, so I met that couple just now lang kasi I offered them to take their photo and it turns out it's their anniversary. Cute kasi nila, kanina pa sila nag-struggle mag-picture, so I came to help na. I really like to offer people if they're like needed to have a photo together. One of the things that make me happy when like I'm outside the country or I'm just roaming around.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no,
I just grabbed
open
this
up my
chocolate
soul.
frappuccino
But babe, how could
because I want